No.
It's all in your hair.
That's what it looks like though. You'll need to pop the bottom one out as well. Oh, pop this one, this top one.
Alright Nathan, now clean my engine.
Get me some degreaser.
Was it popping candy?
Pardon?
That's mine, I think.
Is it crackling in the back of your throat?
Or it's just crunchy, I don't know which. Alex, I'm going to lower it a fraction.
Hold on.
The next choice we have to make, Alex, though, is whether we're going to have the gearbox on there when we put it in.
Yep. Yeah.
We're nearly there. If you were to push it out away and make sure that wire there doesn't catch. What's that on? Yep. So if you pull the motor,
yep,
and I'll raise it.
The oil filter. Oh.
Yeah, we might. See, because we're going to tear the air conditioning pipe off if we're not careful. In fact, I might undo that. Is that a 10? Yes, it is.
Done.
Now, can you let me know when we're above the guard?
Yeah, we're above.
Alright. Alright, come out here and pull it away, mate.
Just keep an eye, don't go fast. Just make sure it is
Yeah.
clear.
I'd swing this way, I think.
So is that your first engine you've taken out of the car?
Oh.
Well done. Can I stop video recording?
New gasket.
Yeah.
Alex. Woo! Ready, man.
What's that, honey?
Where are you?
I'm right here. It's a bit dark. How about that, if I get in the light?
Hello.
Champion. Not too tight, because otherwise we're not going to be able to adjust the position of the clutch plate. Hold on. Just want to do that one a bit. Righto. That's probably 3 or 4 turns. I don't know how many turns exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. 1, 2. So what's the next one over here? Yeah, 4 over here.
And that come off. That can come off.
So if we can. Starter motor over here.
What is that, a 12?
Looks like it. Yeah.
10 here.
What am I hitting? Oh, that engine mount.
8 minutes.
We risk this going further down. We've got to be careful this doesn't want to go like that anymore. Again, I don't think anything's going to fall down, but... Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Shane's here as well.
Oh, you can help us.
Oh, well,
No, there's no choice. Must be fed. We got some bolts and stuff. But
okay, mate, we're right to go in. So, Alex, this is, I have to come your way a bit, okay? Because it's going to touch.
Alright. Well, it's
caught underneath now?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Bring it back. You need to go really pull up. Alright.
I think we're touching. Holy crap, hold on. We're on the... No, we've got to take it out, mate. Got to take it out. He probably can't hear you. Yeah, there's going to be smoke everywhere. I used Alex, I used this to clean the muffler, and it all went soft. The paint, yeah, the blue paint on the header.
Fan belt.
Fan belt, yeah.